Denver. I'm coming live from the forecaster's headquarters. I'm forecaster Cynthia with your current 1-minute forecast. Observing our HQ thermometer right over there, it reads at a chilly 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you put on your coats, kids. Now let's go to Emily with a glance at the current precipitation.
Thanks, Cynthia. Our very high-tech, totally accurate hygrometer is showing that the current humidity is 63%. Combining that with the current air temperature, we can expect to see some cloudiness tomorrow. Now let's go to Dylan with the current cloud cover.
Thanks, Emily. The barometer here in my hand is telling us that the current air pressure is 1,030.60 millibars, which means there is a high air pressure. Because of that high air pressure, you can expect to see cloudy skies with a mixture of cumulus clouds today. Let's get a more detailed look at that moving air with Tracy.
Thanks, Dylan. The anemometer is spinning today with the current wind speed right around 9 miles per hour. The wind vane is telling us that the wind is coming from the south. The wind chill, which combines the air temperature and wind speed to give us a real feel idea of the weather, is currently set at 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's go with Dylan with fronts.
Thanks, Tracy. As you can see from the symbol located right here on the map, a stationary front will be forming right over Denver. That stationary front will be bringing with it some weather changes, including rainy weather. Let's take it back to Cynthia in the HQ of Denver.
Thanks, Dylan. It appears that overall we're looking at some chilly and rainy weather. Remember, we forecast the future.
I'm meteorologist Christopher with your spectacular 1-minute weather forecast. Currently it is 10:27 a.m. Let's check our thermometer here for the weather. The weather is 33 degrees outside, but with that wind chill at 14 miles per hour, you guys better put on your coats with a real feel of 17 degrees. We will be reaching highs of 33 degrees and lows of 16 degrees. Now to Larissa outside with the precipitation.
Thanks, Chris. Our hygrometer is showing the current humidity at 75%, with the current air temperature and some snow in about half an hour. We've got a 40% chance of snow, and we can expect to see some sun and clear skies in the next 24 hours. Now let's go to Natalie with the cloud cover and air pressure for today.
Thanks, Larissa. Coming to you live on Speedway today. According to the barometer, we have a normal air pressure of 30.32 inches. As a result, you can expect to see a cloud cover and a change in weather. Let's take a closer look at the wind with Xavier.
Thanks, Natalie. The anemometer is definitely moving today with a current wind speed right around 14 miles per hour. The wind vane is telling us that the wind is coming from the northwest. The real feel is at 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Now to Larissa with the front.
As you can see from the symbol located right here, a stationary front will be heading toward us from the southwest-west. The stationary front will be bringing in some light snow, maybe some warmer weather than what we are experiencing right now. Now back to Christopher in the studio.
Thanks, Larissa. That's all, folks, on CLXN News. Catch us tomorrow, and don't forget to watch the Winter Olympics February 9th.
Hello, Juneau. I'm meteorologist Julia from News Team 1 with your on-point weather forecast for today. It is 10:30 and looking at our thermometer hanging outside, the current temperature is 24 degrees. The high is 26 and the low will be 12 degrees today. Now let's go to Kevin with a quick look at precipitation.
Thanks, Julia. Right now our hygrometer is showing a current humidity at a whopping 91%. That's a lot of moisture in the air. That plus our current air temperature, we can expect to see some snow and cool weather coming up soon. Now let's go learn about the cloud cover and pressure with Bryn.
Thanks, Kevin. The barometer here is reading 1,001 millibars, indicating a low pressure system. Based on that pressure system, you can expect to see a mixture of stratus and cirrus clouds and 100% cloud cover. Let's get a more detailed look at that moving air with Drew.
Thanks, Brent. The anemometer is really moving today with the current wind speed right around 10 miles per hour. The wind vane is telling us that the wind is coming in from the north-northeast. The wind chill, which combines the air temperature and wind speed to give us a real feel idea of the weather, is currently set at 27 degrees Fahrenheit. Now here's Kevin with fronts.
Thanks, Drew. As you can see from beside me, a cold front will be moving in Juneau from the northeast. That northeastern cold front will bring in freezing Arctic winds and precipitation with it. Now let's wrap it up with Julia.
Thanks, Kevin. It appears that overall we're looking at a pretty cloudy day. Remember to stay safe, responsible, and respectful, and News Team 1 wishes you a great day, but make sure to stay warm.
Aloha, Kahului. I'm meteorologist Corey with today's weather report. According to the thermometer, the current temperature here in Hawaii is a mild 70 degrees. The high for the rest of the day is a warm 79 and the low is a chilly 63. Now let's go to Arjun with the precipitation.
Mahalo, Corey. Now at the studio, our hygrometer is showing a current humidity of 87%. Looking at the current air temperature, we can expect to see some misty dew in the next 24 hours. Now let's go to Jules with cloud cover and air pressure.
Mahalo, Arjun. Today the air pressure seems to be 29.8 inches, so I'll say that the air pressure is a little low right now. Low pressure usually means precipitation, but don't worry, you can expect to see plenty of sunshine today. And now let's get a little look at those winds with AJ.
Thanks, Jules. The anemometer is picking up 9-mile-per-hour winds today. The real feel today is a temperate 72 degrees. Now let's go to Jules with the fronts happening today.
Mahalo, AJ. As you can see on the weather map, a cold front will soon be moving in from the northwest. That cold front will be bringing with it some heavy rain in the next few days.
Thanks, Jules. It appears today is a nice average day here in Kahului, Hawaii. If you want to learn more about us, remember to visit www.weatherpandas4.com. As always, remember to stay safe, responsible, and respectful, and enjoy your day.
Hello, Minneapolis. Is anyone excited for the Super Bowl? Anyways, I'm meteorologist Ava with your up-to-date weather report on Channel 34. Straight from our studio thermometer, the current temperature is a frigid 16 degrees and the low will be 1 degree. Now let's go to Rocco with a quick look at precipitation.
Thanks, Ava. Our hygrometer is showing the current humidity at 65%. Combining that with the current air temperature, we can expect to see some snow in the next 24 hours. Now let's go to Shauna with the cloud cover and air pressure.
Thanks, Rocco. The barometer here is registering 1,039 millibars, indicating a high pressure system. Because of that pressure system, you can expect to see clear skies and about 25% cloud cover. Let's get a more detailed look at that moving air with Rocco.
Thanks, Shauna. The anemometer is barely moving today with the current wind speed right around 10 miles per hour. The wind vane is telling us that the wind is coming from the northwest. The wind chill, which combines the air temperature and wind speed to give us a real feel idea of the weather, is currently set at 17 degrees. Now let's take it to Shauna with the fronts.
Thanks, Rocco. As you can see from the symbol located here, a warm front will be moving in from the west. This warm front will be bringing with it some gentle snow in the next few hours. Now let's take it back to Ava in the studio.
Thanks, guys. It appears that overall we're looking at a cloudy day. Remember to stay safe, responsible, and respectful, and have a great day.
Hello, New Orleans. I'm meteorologist Marcella with your up-to-date 1-minute weather report. Our thermometer says that the current temperature is 52 degrees and the lows will be 49. Now let's take it to Maddie with the precipitation.
Thanks, Marcello. According to our hygrometer, the current humidity is about 66%. There is a 3% chance of rain, and it's pretty sunny. It will probably stay like that for the rest of the week. Now let's take it to Tristan with the cloud cover and the air pressure.
Thanks, Maddie. The barometer states 29.97 inches of mercury, indicating a low pressure system. Because of that pressure system, you can probably guess to see a cloud cover of about 47%. Let's continue this with Anthony with the winds for the day.
Thank you, Tristan. Today's winds are coming from the north and blowing to the south at speeds of up to 9 miles per hour. The wind chill is 52 degrees. I feel like today is going to be a really nice day. Now let's take it to Maddie with the fronts for the day.
Thanks, Anthony. On the radar, it shows that a cold front just passed by. So that means there's going to be some cold weather for some time. Now, let's take it to Mark.
Thanks, Maddie. Well, that's it with our 1-minute weather forecast, and it looks like you may have a slight drizzle, so have a safe and nice day. Thanks for watching, and like always, have a great sunny day, New Orleans.